It's straightforward to create maps in Tableau. The only requirement is that one of the fields in the visualization has a geographical role. And in general, when you create a data source, Tableau is fairly good at guessing which fields can play a geographical role from the name of the field. For example, if a field has the name a zip, Tableau will assume that it is a zip code. It is also relatively straightforward to associate a geographical role with the field, either in a worksheet or in a data source. So I went back to the data source for our and clicked on the chronic disease processed data. And you'll see that we have a location description here. So what we're going to do, and location description at the moment is just a string, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to now associate a geographical role with it. And clearly, since we want this to be a state, we select state. You now see the new icon on top of the location description. It changes, the location description now has a geographical role, but it doesn't change the underlying data type of the field. And now what we can do is we can drag the location description into rows, and then we'll take anything, it doesn't really matter. Let's take 2020 family mean income, drag that in here, and now when you go to show me, you see it has activated the two maps. Let's take this one. And we now have a map, and as before, if we want, we can either edit the colors from here, or we can even go onto the colors card and edit the colors from here. But let's just leave it as is.